an 05 Silverado key.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, brother.
So, where's the door
we're
lock?
looking at the, right here. The ignition switch.
Where's the door lock?
Hmm?
Where's the door lock? On the phone, when he called me, I said, hey, is the door and ignition the same key? And he said, yeah. There's no door lock?
Should be right there.
Huh?
Should be locking right there.
No, on the outside, the door lock, the key cylinder. Is there one on the other side? Let me see.
Yeah.
I feel like pulling an ignition out right now. Nope, no key cylinder. Where's on the trunk? No lock. Oh man. We're gonna have to pull out your ignition to make the key.
Because I'm pretty sure I gave my brother the fucking key.
You did?
Yeah.
Where's he at?
He's inside, but shit, he doesn't want to fucking look around for it and shit.
Oh really?
Yeah, he's like, oh fuck, I'll give you the fucking truck today and shit.
He did what?
He's like, I'll give you the truck today and everything and shit. Came back at the same time. You know what I mean?
Oh, you guys went out somewhere or what happened?
Oh, he went for a bike ride.
Oh, so maybe it fell out on the bike ride?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I went to work.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he went on a bike ride and shit.
Yeah, normally I'll do this key off the door lock, but you don't have a door lock, so at least your covers were just not really on. Not
Yeah,
screwed on.
Yeah, I know.
Something for that. I'm trying to do it on camera and I'm not usually in this angle. There we go. Okay. Got an alarm on here?
Yeah.
I'm not going to do that one. There's your ignition. There's a key code right there on the ignition. I'll cut you the key right after that.
Want me to pay you up front or?
Pay me when I'm done. I'll be done in like 5 minutes. I'm gonna cut the key right now.
Okay, I'm gonna go inside real quick. I'll be right back.
All right. Chevy. Put this ignition back in. Okay. I sent you the key code, okay, if you ever need it in the future.
To my phone or to his phone?
To whatever number you guys called me from.